A lot of people want their images to look painterly in textures and overlays, which in this case will probably basically be the same thing. We'll do that for you. I like to think that you could add some whimsy and some magic and some fantasy. Most importantly, you want to create and tell your story. Your story for the image is what's going to come out of the texture and how you edit it. You have to add your voice to your images, and this is a way to do that. Some people think blend modes are made by the angels. They might be right. Now, textures for me are like the clothes in my closet. And they say that people all have their favorite clothes they wear about 20% of the time. For me, it's the comfortable ones. We choose what's comfortable, we choose what's familiar. And sometimes we want to go someplace and we have to get a little bit more fancy with our clothing. So something appropriate for the occasion. So the same for your texture, you choose what works for your message. But I know these birds and they're fierce birds. And I wanted the fierceness of the bird to come out. So I used actually baking sheet textures, excuse me, to make this a little bit grittier, to give him a little more fierce of a mood and some drama to his story. And anybody who's ever heard me talk about textures has heard me talk about the Omni Swiss cheese filter that I made a really big mistake that turned out to be the best texture ever. And it's the Gold Boca 3250. So you can't really talk about masks without textures without masking. Let me tell you the story of when I first put a texture on an image. And the judge said, I'm not sure if you all allow competitions in the textures in this category, but I want the maker to know that when you do textures on images, that you should be brushing it off the subject. You shouldn't have it completely over it unless you want to bring it down to low opacity. A lot of people use, and I do too, overlay and soft light quite a bit. I consider overlay soft light's aggressive cousin. You can get almost the same look, but you always have to bring overlay down in opacity. And sometimes it's just enough difference that you choose one or the other. This is what happens when you go through them all. You start seeing things, you go, oh, that looks good. Oh, maybe I should use that. And that's the thing about this. You can do whatever you want, and you can make these images be whatever you want them to be. And I went through, and I really wanted him to be called Magic. For some reason, I decided his name was Magic before I created the whole image, which sometimes happens. So, Sharon, you're right. Chocolate helps everything.